Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make breakfast casserole. On most Sundays, I like to enjoy a nice brunch with my family, and breakfast casserole is one of our favorites. It's really easy to make. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to start by cooking some breakfast sausage over medium heat. Go ahead and break the breakfast sausage into little chunky pieces. Then we're going to cook it until it is no longer pink, just like this. Next, we're going to add some chopped scallions or green onions and cook for just about a minute until the onions begin to get fragrant. Once everything is completely cooked, take it off the heat and set aside to cool. Then we're going to prep our other ingredients. So in this bowl, I have a whole lot of eggs. Into that, I am adding some ground mustard. We're also adding some spices. So I have salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Go ahead and add those right in. And we're going to pour in some milk. Next, we're going to whisk everything together until very well incorporated. Then we're going to set this mixture aside for later. So over here, I have some white sandwich bread. You can use whatever kind of bread you like. I don't really like the bottom part of the bread, so I'm going to cut them off, but you can totally leave them on if you don't mind. Go ahead and cut your bread into bite-sized cubes, just like that. Then transfer them into a baking pan. Next, we're going to top the bread with the breakfast sausage and make sure the sausage gets on every single piece of bread, okay guys? Go ahead and pour the egg mixture we made earlier all over the bread and sausage. Next, we're going to grab some cheddar cheese and sprinkle that all over the top. Then we're going to cover with saran wrap and let it sit in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour. If you have time, do all the prep work the night before and let it marinate overnight. It's even better that way. So after this has finished marinating, you're going to remove the saran wrap and bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 55 minutes to 60 minutes. And here it is out of the oven. It smells so good. The cheese is very nice and bubbly. It looks fantastic. This breakfast casserole is delicious, you guys. It has amazing flavor. It's very comforting and it's the perfect brunch. You guys will love it. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. So I hope you guys enjoy spending time with me today. When you make this recipe, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe because I have many more delicious recipes to come. I'll see you soon. Bye.